You've done your income taxes and you're going to owe, but you don't think you can pay the total by the deadline. So, what's the best thing to do now? File your return as soon as possible and pay what you can before the deadline. Then request a payment plan. With the plan, you'll still owe interest and possibly penalty for any balance you have after the deadline, but your account won't go into forced collections. The sooner you request a plan and pay off the balance, the less interest you'll owe, and you don't have to wait until after the deadline to start the process. The easiest way to request a plan is online through the Taxpayer Access Point, or TAP. This is a free service and you can use it anytime. You can request a plan this way with or without first setting up a TAP account. Without a TAP account, you just need any letter we've sent you in the past 2 years. Getting a TAP account is a good option if you don't have a recent letter from us and you're filing your return early. You'll probably be able to request a payment plan faster this way. You also might want a TAP account if you'd like to view information such as your current balance and payment history online. Either way, you'll need to wait for your balance to post before you can request a plan. This takes anywhere from 3 to 16 weeks after you submit your return. You'll have a shorter wait time when you submit your return early. To check for a balance, look in your TAP account if you have one. Otherwise, you can just try requesting a payment plan. You'll get an error message if your balance hasn't posted yet. When you're ready to request a plan, go to tax.idaho.gov/go-to-TAP. How you start the process depends on whether or not you have a TAP account. If you have a TAP account, log in. Make sure you see your balance on your home page and then click More. In the Payment Plans panel, click Request a Payment Plan. If you don't have a TAP account, scroll down on the main TAP page to the Payments area and click Request a Payment Plan. Select Business or Individual. Individuals should enter their Social Security number or ITIN. If you filed a joint return with your spouse, enter the number of the person you listed first on your return. Then retype the number in the next field to confirm it. Now enter a letter ID. This ID appears in the upper right corner of all letters from us, and it starts with an L. Retype the letter ID and click Next. With or without a TAP account, you should now see an agreement page similar to what's on screen. Read the agreement and click Next. The plans available to you appear, and they might differ from the ones you see here. Read the terms of each plan carefully, choose one, and click Next. Enter the start date for your plan. Note that you must choose a date that's between 10 and 40 days from the date you submit this request. Enter the amount you want withdrawn each month from your bank account. Now, choose the type of account you'll be using, checking or savings. Find and enter your bank's routing number, which is printed at the bottom of your checks. Then, find and enter your account number. If you're using your checking account, this is the middle group of numbers printed at the bottom of your checks. Confirm your account number by entering it again. When finished, click Next. Enter your personal information, or enter your spouse's information if you used their Social Security number when you started this process. The birth date, phone number, and email address are required. Click Next when you're ready. Check or enter your address information. If you're entering it, type it exactly how it appears on any letter from us to avoid delays in processing your request. And if you've moved, enter your current address. For the mailing address question, leave No selected if you get your mail at the address above. Now, answer the question about how long you've been at this address and click Next. Read the statements here, Double-check your information and then sign by typing your name on the signature line. If you filed a joint return, your spouse will also have to sign. Finally, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation that you requested a plan. You'll also get a letter through the U.S. Postal Service within a few days. If the Tax Commission accepts your plan request, automatic withdrawals in the amount you chose start on the date you set. Have more questions? Visit tax.idaho.gov/taphelp. Call us at the numbers on screen or email us.